Well, hello, I'm Jimmy Glam, and today I want to try out one of my one of my most interesting lipsticks. Now, this is one that I've worn before. I've only worn it one time before, but I really like it a lot. It's Hard Candy Glitteratzi, and the particular brand or the particular name of it is Black Diamonds. What I like about this is it's more of a combo of lipstick and lip gloss together, and I wanted to show you how it looks separately without the lip gloss and with the lip gloss. It's Let me show it to you. It kind of has built-in glitter, and if you look at it, it looks like you can see where I used it already, but it looks like the glitter inside of it would actually stick on your lips and look more like flakes on your lips. But that's actually not the case, and it works out very well. If you want to be very dramatic, this is the perfect lipstick for you. Speaking of dramatic, I wanted to match my hair and I wanted to match my eyeshadow with the lipstick because the lipstick's purple. But because I could not find my purple eyeshadow, I just went with blue. Besides, I like this hair anyway, like a lot more than the actual purple I wear. And that's kind of the problem when you only use cream makeup. You have to go to the store just to buy a purple or a blue sometimes. So, it is what it is, but I like the way it look. I like how I did my eyes this time just for this, but it's not the color I wanted to use, but it's fine. I think you guys got the idea. Okay, so let's try this on. I'm gonna try on the lipstick, and I'm not gonna put on the lip gloss just yet because I want to show you how it looks without the lip gloss. Here we go. As you can see, like I brought up before, it looks like it has little chips of glitter inside of it, but it goes on incredibly smooth and just looks like regular lipstick. Let me go to the side real quick. Speed this up a little. Look at that. It's perfect already. If you look at it, it already has a little glitter look to it, the little shim to it, or shimmy, whatever you want to call it, or shine. I'm not good with naming stuff like that, or off the top of my head, but whatever. It has a glam look, and I like the glam look to it, and that's just by itself. If you want to just rock this by itself, that's fine, and it looks great on its own, but we're gonna try the other end and try the lip gloss so I can show you how much it actually does shine. I think I got hair in my mouth. Wouldn't be the first time, but probably shouldn't say that. All right, let's add the gloss. Beautiful, right? I just love the way this looks. It's so vibrant. Let's see if I can do a little bit of cleaning up. Not much. So yeah, take a look at it. Beautiful, right? It's like if you wear it by itself, it looks great, but if you add the gloss to it, it just brings it to a new level. It's really great for a glam look, and it's really great if you just want to, look bright and dramatic out with your friends and all. I highly recommend it. It's easy to find. And I'm going to check out some more colors of this, but I was really looking for a purple and I stumbled upon this purple and I really, really like it. Highly recommend it. Thumbs up. You guys take care.